state health officials and Governor Tony Evers call on the people of Wisconsin to do their part to help stop a recent spike of COVID-19 cases in the state.
Over 20% of tests were positive for a fourth straight day, raising the 7-day average just shy of 20%. Every county in the state had at least one new case. Dane, Sauk, Dodge, Walworth, Rock, and Jefferson all saw over 20 new cases. There are currently over 20,000 active cases in the state. Over 98,000 have recovered, and 646 people are now hospitalized.
Governor Evers addressed the ongoing pandemic this afternoon. After this recent spike in cases, he says people need to keep their circles small, cancel play dates, family get-togethers, and only see those you live with.
If you're planning an event for your community or organization, please host it virtually. If you're hosting a watch party for a debate or Monday Night Football or the Brewers playoff games, please keep it to your close circle of 5.
The governor says wearing a mask is just the first step and that social distancing as much as possible is even more important.
Hours will be reduced at the COVID testing site at the Alliant Energy Center, but health officials say it's not going to impact the volume of testing in the county. Francisco Almanara has you covered on the changes.
The Wisconsin National Guard has helped Public Health Madison and Dane County do nearly 200,000 tests since May, but soon it will be time for them to go.
When they leave, we simply don't have the resources to maintain 56 hours of testing a week, which has been really kind of an exceptional level of testing availability.
Ken Van Horn, the site director at Alliant Energy Center, says they'll be going down to 40 hours a week, getting rid of Monday testing. But he says that's not going to hinder their ability to test people, but you may have to wait longer in line.
So we can maintain 12 to 14,000 tests per week, compressed by about 30% into 40 hours. That might mean that there are slightly longer lines.
Now, even though National Guard members are leaving the Alliant Energy Center and staffing will be a little lower, Van Horn says that the testing capacity will stay the same and testing accuracy may in fact be higher.
But in fact, we can't detect the virus in your nasal passage until about 3 to 4 days after you've been exposed. So by delaying testing until noon on Tuesday, we'll catch more of those folks who did do something that they're now worried about on Friday or Saturday.
As the National Guard members leave, Public Health will be bringing in new temporary and contract workers with medical backgrounds at the same time.
Then they will get on-site training from Exact Sciences on how the swab procedure works, and then on-site training from the Wisconsin National Guard on how our particular procedure works and how the site flows.
In Madison, Francisco Almanara, 27 News.
Health officials say if people want to get tested, pre-register. That will cut down on wait times. The new schedule starts next week, and that information is on our website.